Good day, students. Today we are going to take on more problems on arithmetic progression. Let's take a look at example 1. They are given that 2x, 5 and 6 minus x are the first three terms in an arithmetic progression. So what is the value of x and the common difference? Solution. Remember that a common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1. The same thing as t3 minus t2. So this implies that what? That the first difference, which is the first term there, and the second term have 5 minus 2x. This will be equal to 6 minus x minus 5. And this will be equal to 6 minus 5 minus x gives you 1 minus x. So 5 minus 2x is equal to 1 minus x. So when you collect like terms, so you're going to have minus 2x plus x be equal to 1 minus 5. So minus x equal to minus 4. Therefore, x equal to 4. Then placing it into this, so the terms of the sequence is 2x, 5 and 6x, 6 minus x, which can be written as 2 times 4, 5 and 6 minus 4. So that gives you 8, 5 and 2. Therefore, the common difference is minus 3. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment below. So let's take a look at example. In this particular example, this can lead us to simultaneous linear equations. So the 6th term of an AP is 32, while the 10th term is 48. Find the common difference and the 21st term. Solution. We have that Tn is equal to A plus bracket n minus 1 times T. So, and this be equal to L. So when you have this, and you have that this 6 be equal to A plus 5T, and this will be equal to 32. That's equation 1. And T10 will be equal to A plus 9T, and that's 48. Equation 2. Then you're subtracting equation 1, subtracting equation 1, you can say subtracting equation 2 from 1. You're going to have something like this. You subtract, now you're going to have that 0 minus 4D equal to, if you have 48 minus 32, this is 6, so that will be minus 16. So D will be equal to 4. To get A, use from equation 1, A plus 5T will be equal to 32. So that means that A will be equal to 32 minus 5T, which is 32 minus 5 times 4. And that gives you 32 minus 20 gives you 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 and T is equal to 4. Then we have to find the 21st term. That means T21 will be equal to A plus 20D. And this will be equal to 12 plus 20 times 4. And that will give you 12 plus 80. And that gives you 92. Therefore, T21 is equal to 92. That the 21st term of that progression in AP is 92. So any question? If any line you don't understand, you feel free to make a comment or drop a comment at the comment section below. So the next example is example 3, which we are going to, seems technical, so you have to pay attention and make sure you grab it. Solution: say that the fourth term of an AP is equal to 3 times the first term. Remember that T4 is equal to A plus 3D and T1 is equal to A. Then T7 is equal to A plus 6D. So based on the statement, the first line of the statement says that the fourth term is equal to 3 times the first term. So that means that T4 is equal to 3T1. This implies that A plus 3D equal to 3A. If you collect like terms now, we're going to have A minus 3A is equal to minus 3D. So A, 2A, you can say minus A. So if you take a look at this, minus 2A is equal to minus 3D. So 2A is equal to what? 3D. Let's say this is equation 1. And if you go to the second line of the statement, say that the seventh term exceeds the twice the third term by 1. So exceed means that it's greater. So that means that the seventh term, T7 minus 2 of T3 will be equal to 1. That's what it means. So that means that A plus 6D minus 2 bracket A plus 2D equal to 1. Open the brackets. Open the brackets. In opening the brackets here, we're going to have that A plus 6D minus 2A minus 4D will be equal to 1. So that means that A minus 2A plus 6D minus 4D will be equal to 1. So minus A plus 2D will be equal to 1. So that means that this implies that A will be equal to 2D minus 1. That's equation 2. Then substituting for A equals to D minus 1 into equation 1, we have that equation 1 says 2A is equal to 3D. This implies that 2 bracket 2D minus 1 will be equal to 3D. So 4D minus 2 will be equal to 3D. So 4D minus 3D will be equal to 2. So therefore D is equal to 2. So we have to find the common difference and the first term. So A, D is equal to, so A from 2, A is equal to 2D minus 1. This implies that A will be equal to 2 times 2 minus 1 gives you 4 minus 1 gives you 3. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 2. So, if you have any question, you can take a look at the comments. Look at the comment box and drop your comments. So the last but not the least is this particular number 4. This very important example which we are going to take a look at. When you are given this kind of problem, you are told that A with 3 terms and A whose sum is this is 21 and whose product is 315. Say let the numbers B, if you are given this kind of problem, say let it be A minus D, A and A plus D for simplicity purpose, so that it will be easier for you to simplify. So sum, meaning that T1 plus T2 plus T3, and this will be equal to 21. This implies that A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 21. So that means that 3A is equal to 21 and A will be equal to 21 over 3. You have 7. A is 7. We have A to be 7 now. So how can we get the D? But again, we are told that their product will be equal to T1 times T2 times T3 will be equal to 315. What it simply means that A minus D multiplied by A multiplied by A plus D is to be equal to 315. If you take a look at that, this will be A bracket A minus D into A plus D is equal to 315. So A is 7. So that means 7 bracket 7 minus D into 7 plus D is equal to 315. We divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. So we have that 7 minus D multiplied by 7 plus D equal to 45. But you know that these two products difference of 2 squared, this will be 7 squared minus D squared is equal to 45. So that means that D squared will be equal to 7 squared minus 45, which is 49 minus 45 is 4. So D is equal to square root plus or minus square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. So in this regard, we are going to take D to be 2, which is positive. So if you have, from what we have A, from that, the terms of the numbers will be of this form. If you have your numbers, so if you have your numbers now, so you have A minus D, A plus D, sorry. So the numbers will be A minus D, A and A plus D. So with this, we are going to have the first number to be 7 minus 2, 7 and 7 plus 2. So that will be having something like 5, 7 and 9. So believe that these are the terms we are looking for. Thank you for listening. So